Hey everyone. So I've got a quick demo of the up and coming Look-C FarmLab integration, which I'll take you through now. This currently isn't live, so this is a standalone version on our development server, but it will be integrated into FarmLab in the near future, within the next month or so. So I'll jump straight into it. Very simple to use. So in this case, I'll just put the boundaries in this little text field here. When this is live, this will be just drawn on the map or accessed through existing FarmLab boundaries. And then I hit start processing. So that'll take me to the farm that I'm processing. Now, a few points with this one. I've chosen an area with a little bit of tree cover, and I'll explain why, or you'll see why, in a short second when the calculations are run. This is here in New England, in Australia, obviously. And here we go, so we can see the calculations have been run. And now there's a few things to talk through here. So first and foremost, we have a little percentage carbon histogram here. This gives us percentage carbon in the region. And then down here we have the current estimate. So this is saying that we're approximately 1.7% across here. So we sit at about the 1.7 mark here, which is the majority of farms for the region. The max for the region, max soil carbon, is about 3.75%, and the lowest is about 1.25%. So we're about average for this farm. Just moving down the list, we've got the estimated bulk density. So this is all estimated through the CSIRO Look-C tool, and the estimated average, which, as I said, is 1.7%. Now, some more interesting things. We have the area covered, and we have the area of the paddock. If we had multiple paddocks here, you'd see more area. And then we've actually excluded tree cover because for soil carbon projects in particular, we need to remove any areas that have greater than 20% canopy cover under the current regulation. So what we've looked at is the total area is about 300 hectares. Where the remaining area after tree cover is removed is about 121 hectares. And this is useful because now we can calculate the amount of carbon we can increase over the allowable project area, which is just about 121 hectares. Now we can have a little play with this, and we'll make this a little bit more easier to use when we integrate it. But basically, I can change that 1.7%, which is current average, to let's say 2.7%. So let's see what happens if I can increase carbon from 1.7% to 2.7% to a depth of 30 centimeters for a 25-year project. I hit run, and there we go. So my estimated annual abatement to get to 1% over the 25-year period is about 6.29 tons of CO2 per hectare, leading to a total CO2 increase of 19,103 tons. So these figures will be made a bit clearer when we do integrate it, but there we go. That's a short and simple demo of the FarmLab Look-C integration. Thanks very much.